Hey everyone, it's Brian here. I chose to do my project on Conan's concepts for managing group instruction. The central theme here is creating a flow in which the lesson goes smoothly without digressions, diversions, or interruptions. The good flow keeps the student's attention, um, leaves more opportunities for less deviance, more cues for the students to be directed towards appropriate behaviors in the lesson. Um, and when it flows, when it's not jerky, there's no side trips and less competition for the students' attention and getting them to speak. So this managing of movements can be determined through three types of teacher behaviors. One is preventing misbehavior, one is managing lesson, movement, and other is maintaining group focus. The first one I'm going to talk about is preventing misbehavior. Um, as we know, classrooms are complex settings, and a lot of stuff can happen at one time, and we don't know what's going to happen. So we just got to be ready, especially as new teachers. Um, so I'm going to be working in a special ed PE class. And so, it's going to be hard to manage your behaviors when, um, they're special ed, so you can't be too hard on them. Um, but, I'm just really just going to guide them as they go through like the different activities and just got to make sure that they're staying on task. And if they do start, maybe becoming aggressive, or if they start throwing things or attacking another student, I just need to be ready for that and be ready to step in and get them back on track. My main focus that I want to emphasize is the managing movement. Um, it's where pretty much you keep momentum and smoothness. Momentum, is the pacing. Um, you don't want to make sure it's moving on too quickly. Um, you can dwell too much on one part of the lesson or directions. So you just want to make sure that it's running smoothly and going in a good pace. Again, with smoothness, you don't want it to be jerky. You don't want to add irrelevant info into the lesson plan, and you just gotta be ready to really just be ready for anything in the lesson and have a good practice of what you're going to say. So for me, I want to be ready for each lesson that I do. So I may even practice with like nephews or brothers or cousins. Just go over like lessons plan with them and, um, making sure everyone can do the activities and um, making sure I know what I'm going to say and prepare for anything that may go wrong or any curveballs that may show up. So that sums up my project. Thank you all for listening, and I'll talk to you guys later.